A teacher said to be a mother away from home. So, as a teacher, how much responsibility we have on the children who are given to us. Though it is a classroom, though we have 40 children, yet I believe they are the greatest power in the world. And it's our responsibility to shape them into good human beings. And this thing can happen only in a classroom. Teachers teach them the virtue of empathy, teach them kindness, teach them love, teach them responsibility, teach them how they can be leaders, teach them how they can help the other one who is in need, teach them give and take.